On this second week of the Atlantic 2014 hurricane season, all is quiet, but in the Pacific, I am watching a newly formed tropical storm. With this tropical weather update, I'm Jeff Huffman. The satellite picture across the Atlantic shows hardly any areas of convection or thunderstorm activity. The waters are still cool, the wind shear is still very strong. Some unsettled weather, though, really brewing here in the southeast. More on that in just a minute. But newly formed tropical storm Christina, just to the south and west there of Mexico. Unlike Boris, Christina will move to the west. We will not have to worry about this system jumping into the other pond. We're talking about a hurricane, though, probably by Wednesday. And then it's going to move over some cooler waters to the north there, just south and west of the Baja of Mexico. Christina, largely a shipping interest problem only, and likely not to have much of an impact on any land areas. Now, tropical moisture is surging north. See this tongue of moisture here on future track? That moves into the state of Florida Wednesday and Thursday, and there's an upper level storm rotating through, so we will have some unsettled weather here midweek, including some heavy rain at times and maybe even some severe weather depending on the timing of those storms and where they form. And then conditions should return back to normal as we approach the weekend with just the typical sea breeze thunderstorms. But I did mark on my tropical weather outlook an area here near Florida where some strong storms will probably develop both Wednesday and Thursday afternoon. And then this weekend and early next week, some unsettled conditions could be occurring as the trade winds really start to strengthen here in the western Caribbean. We'll have some gathering moisture, and that's of course an area we like to keep an eye on this time of year, because typically in June, according to climatology, storms do form in this area about 1 out of every 2 years, and they typically drift in our direction toward the state of Florida or move west toward Texas. So this will certainly be an area we will keep an eye on, but in the near term, no tropical storms expected.